I am Aparna, a final year student in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering at IIT Madras. I had joined SMART in my 9th standard for the IIT JEE Foundation program. It was in KK Anand sir's class that I was first exposed to problems at such a high level which I had not imagined. I took up the challenge enthusiastically, and I would attribute my interest and my inquisitiveness to solve difficult problems to the 2 years of coaching during my foundation course. Also, Sir was able to teach such difficult concepts with such ease and bring it across to the students in a way that was easy to take for them at that age. The wonderful experience which I had in my foundation course led me to continue my JEE preparation at SMART in my 11th and 12th standard too. I hardly found the long class hours stressful, as the atmosphere in the class was very light and enjoyable. So we had the excellent opportunity to learn the most difficult concepts in maths, physics and chemistry in such an entertaining way. KK Anand sir had a unique way of explaining the concepts by relating it to various general things like sports or other things. So I think that sets him apart, as the students were immediately able to relate to them and understand them, and also make sure that they never forget it later too. I feel the concept of EPAD in IIT JEE preparation as a truly fantastic concept. We all know that it's not human to concentrate all the 4 hours in the class. Everyone tends to get lost in some parts. However, this EPAD would ensure that you will have a complete attention span, as the places where we don't understand properly, you can revisit and learn it again. So this would make sure the preparation is more efficient and complete. The content of the lectures is so holistic that you don't have to revisit any textbook to understand the concept better. The extensive problem solving sessions at various difficulty levels equips the students to face any exam, and the novel approaches, the strategies used ensures that the highly inquisitive ones can enjoy it and benefit a lot from it. This is highly helpful for anyone aiming to secure a rank in the IIT entrance exam. However, if you want to get a top rank, I'm sure that this would give the extra mileage required.